All right, so today is very special. The reason being is this is my first YouTube video that I'm creating today. And the reason it's being very special is because I have just received something which came yesterday and I'm about to unbox. And this is the first time I'm doing so. Basically, I ordered a watch which was very special and I wanted to have it on the first go. But since there was plenty of orders from different places across India and maybe like different watch lovers would obviously want to get their hands on, it took some time and I got the second batch. But it's very special. The reason being is with the first video, I'm actually unboxing an Indian micro brand, which is called the Argos, and the watch is Olympus 2. So let's start unboxing. So here is the package. It has come with quite a good amount of safety, and I think Argos has been listening to its customers and people. Oh, that's heavy. So this is the box and I have already made an incision in it. So now I'm actually taking out the real watch from inside this carton box. And look at that. That's the Argos box. I'll keep this aside. So slowly, let's reveal this. Wow. The packaging looks really good. I think they are on their game plan, what they were talking about. I've seen a couple of videos of Argos and their adverts, and I think they are doing it a really good job. Wow, look at that box. I mean, it gives a really premium feeling for this Indian micro brand who is doing really well right now. And this box actually looks like kind of like the Rolex one, the luxury timepiece. Even Rolex does something, Rolex does this for all their watches, but I think this is really working and they are on that plan of like line, and Argos is really doing this thing very nice. So this is the watch. I think this is the manual. Yep, that's the manual. And this is the timepiece that I was talking about. So I've ordered the Heartnova. So let's unpack this watch. Look at that. It looks really beautiful. Wow, look at that grade, that shine. I think it's a 316L stainless steel with gold plated. Nice. Now that is a really cool watch, and getting a hands on to this Argos is really nice. The plastics are a little tighter, but it's working. I'm peeling it off, not a problem. Oh my god, that a lot of packaging has been done, and I think they have ensured really well to keep it very protected. Wow. Now take a close look at this dial. They have got their brand endorsed, the Heartnova. It's just written here on the left hand side, just close to that 3 marker, the Roman 3, and it's automatic. You can see the heart moving. Let's wind it. Wow, a really stunning piece. And I don't know if you can actually see it. The green dial has got the pyramid shape, which actually reflects lights from different angle when you wear it or when you hold it under the light. Wow, this is really cool. I haven't, since it's a brand new watch, so I'm not too sure. I probably have to get the sizing accurate, but for now, I'm just wearing it on my wrist. Look at that. And I feel the 39 with the 316 stainless steel and the special Miyota movement for which Argos had visited Japan and got it crafted there. I think that really works. The movement, the Miyota. Uh, I think probably it's the Miyota 82S5, which gives a lot of precision in terms of this automatic watch. This is really cool and really special. I think the Indian micro brands have taken the ball game to the next level, and they are quite good now in terms of how the Swiss manufactures their automatic watches, where they just not emphasize on the design but also on the complications, the movement, and also the quality of the watch. I think Argos is doing really well out here. So definitely I'm going to wear this watch more frequent now since it's a brand new watch, and I would love to see like how it goes over the period, and accordingly then probably I'll come up with the next video and a review as well. Thanks for watching guys, and hope you like my video. And since this is a first video, I'm still in the phase of learning, and I would really appreciate good comments and also what I could do to make my videos more good and accurate for my viewers. Would love to appreciate good comments and also learn from them. Thank you.